Secrets to Build Insane Wealth While You Are Young. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. Most of us are taught to get a decent education, find a good job, work hard, save, invest, and, perhaps, retire rich by the age of 65. M.J. DeMarco, a self-made billionaire and semi-retired entrepreneur, considers this a poor approach. In The Millionaire Fastlane, Crack the Secrets of Wealth and Live Rich for Life, DeMarco lays out a plan for anybody to earn genuine riches in 10 years or less. And it's not the type of advice you get from a financial advisor, parents, or friends. This was one of the eye-opening books for me. In this video, you'll learn the 4 components of wealth and what it takes to get on your fast lane, according to the author. Getting wealthy is similar to taking a road trip. To reach your destination, you'll need 4 major components. 1. Your roadmap, the set of beliefs that govern your behaviors, much like a compass. 2. Your vehicle. It is you. Because your wealth depends on who you become, you must drive the vehicle yourself. 3. Your roads. Your roads represent your financial routes. There are several methods to earn money as an employee, self-employed, or business owner. 4. Your speed. Speed equals execution, or how quickly you go from idea to implementation. M.J. DeMarco's book, The Millionaire Fastlane, goes deeper into each of these 4 components. Here is a simple overview. 1. The 3 roadmaps to wealth. Your belief system functions as a compass, guiding your life. Your beliefs influence your decisions, which in turn influence your results. There are 3 financial roadmaps to wealth: the sidewalk, slow lane, and fast lane. Each roadmap has a unique belief system that influences how you think and act. These determine your desired outcome, as well as your attitudes about debt, time, education, money, wealth, responsibility, and life in general. Each roadmap is also guided by a mathematical wealth equation that explains how you may make money and expand your wealth. Only one of the 3 roadmaps will allow you to retire comfortably, which is why you should join the Millionaire Fastlane. In a nutshell, people on the sidewalk are living in the moment and go with the flow. They spend more than they make, sacrificing tomorrow for today's pleasures. They wind up living in poverty. People in the slow lane have jobs. They work hard for 50 years and want to retire comfortably. They wind up living a life of mediocrity. People on the fast lane build businesses that meet the 5 commandments. This allows them to gain millions of dollars in 10 years and then utilize the money to build actual long-term wealth that provides them with financial freedom. Choose the Millionaire Fastlane, your roadmap to wealth. Because you have power and control, the fast lane enables you to quickly accumulate an enormous fortune. It's about building a business system that will allow you to outsource some of your tasks. Although developing such a procedure is difficult, the rewards are enormous. Try to be a producer, not a consumer. Understanding and applying the formula for the fast lane. Wealth equals net profit plus asset value. Understanding compound interest equals greater than using it to boost income and liquidity rather than accumulating wealth. Using the 5 categories of seedlings, which have the potential to develop into money trees: distribution, computer, content, rental, and human resource systems, HRS. Adhering to the law of affection, which states that the value you provide determines how much money you make. If you want to dive into these points in detail, you can buy the book from the link we have provided in the video description. 2. The vehicle. You. Remember, getting rich quickly is not the same as getting rich easily. You cannot outsource the difficult task of preparing and driving the vehicle, because this is the very process that will convert you into the person you need to be. M.J. DeMarco discusses all the main factors of personal or professional growth that you will need, including: own your vehicle, start your business; steer the vehicle, make good choices; clean your windshield, see things differently; put the headwind behind you; manage toxic relationships; maximize your fuel efficiency, free up your time; change the stale oil, reinvent yourself; and Hit the red line. Be 100% committed. 3. The roads to wealth. The 5 fast lane commandments. Not every business puts you in the fast lane. The right route to prosperity must meet the following 5 fast lane commandments. The commandment of need. Your business must meet a genuine need that people will pay for. This might be a pain point, an unresolved issue, a service, or an emotional gap. The commandment of entry. Your business must have entrance barriers, which means that it must take patience and skill to establish itself. Otherwise, it would be overcrowded. The commandment of control. You must exercise control over your business. If someone can completely ruin your business overnight, then you lack control. For example, Amazon may simply suspend a seller's account or change its affiliate marketing conditions at any moment. The commandment of scale. To have leverage, you must be able to expand your business exceptionally or endlessly. The commandment of time. Your company must be able to survive and run without you, which means it is independent of your time and can function even while you are sleeping or on vacation. Otherwise, this is just another job. Find your highways and move toward your destination. Businesses that follow all 5 commandments are comparable to highways or interstates with high-speed restrictions. Such a path can quickly make you wealthy, allowing you to generate not just a good income, but also large sums of money. DeMarco outlines 3 options to consider: intranet business, innovation, and intentional iteration. A hot dog stand on the beach, for example, is not a fast lane business. Selling an international hot dog franchise, on the other hand, certainly is. 3. Speed of wealth acceleration. The 3 things listed above will assist you in preparing for your road trip to wealth. However, nothing happens until you step on the accelerator. To truly excel at something, you must immerse yourself in it. Focus on one thing at a time. Dabbling in 20 opportunities will dilute your attention and yield average outcomes. Once you've accumulated wealth, you may diversify into other investments or ventures. In this final lesson, MJ DeMarco simplifies the fast lane business by using a chessboard comparison. He describes the roles and key aspects of each business function, as well as how to use them to establish a successful business. One of the basic concepts is that an idea is meaningless until it gets executed. Furthermore, you will not know if an idea or strategy works until it is tested in the market. So, execution is king. This is followed by marketing, which is the queen, which influences customer perceptions and creates brand loyalty. Customer service, which is bishop, is all about assisting and supporting customers in resolving their issues. The products or services that solve problems for consumers are your knights, and your castle is held by the people you work with. Well, there you have it. Remember, knowledge alone will not get you results. Make the strong decision to start taking tangible steps on your path to prosperity. Thanks for watching.